Hello everyone. Happy November 7th. Today we celebrate bittersweet chocolate, cancer awareness, and the joy of thoughtful giving. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Bittersweet Chocolate with Almonds Day, a rich and nutty treat for chocolate lovers. A great gift could be a gourmet chocolate bar set, a chocolate making kit, or a nutty snack box. What's your favorite chocolate combo? Let's melt the comments. Next, it's National Cancer Awareness Day, a day to honor fighters, survivors, and advocates. A thoughtful gift could be a donation to a cancer foundation, a support bracelet, or a care package. Who inspires you with their strength? Let's lift them up in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's Hug a Bear Day. A cozy celebration of teddy bears and warm hugs. A sweet gift could be a plush bear, a bear-themed blanket, or a storybook about bears. Got a favorite childhood bear? Let's cuddle up in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 6th to 10th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.